Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We created a WhatsApp group. If you have any inquiries or questions, please message me below. So when I first came to Oman to set up my business, there was almost no information online. No clear steps, no cost, nothing that actually helped. I had to speak with friends and connect with people who already had contacts here, just to understand where to go and how to begin. But once I figured out the system, I realized it was actually very simple. Everything starts here at the Senate office, a government affiliated center that handles all your paperwork. The total cost is around 1,000 Omani Riyal, give or take, which includes 3 years business license and a 2-year residency. My business setup took about 1 day, and residency was issued around 4 days. Renewals are also affordable. Residency renewals after 2 years is about 15 Omani Riyal. And the 3-year business license renewal is around 200 Omani Riyal. Banking was smooth too. My personal account was opened the same day for the business account. However, if you want online business, the part takes about 1 week. There is also a new rule in Oman. After 1 year of operating your business, you must hire an Omani employee. If you want the details on that, just message me and I'll explain everything clearly. I have now partnered with several Senate offices to help everyone coming to Oman understand the process the right way without the confusion I went through. Next video, I'm taking you inside a real Senate office so you can see exactly how everything works. If you have any questions, send me a message on WhatsApp using the icon below and join our group. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more updates, step-by-step guides on Oman. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.